So the transaction record sheet, you will need this one when you have accept offer or subject removal. You may be updating this transaction record sheet before completion. So on the top, brokerage, MLS number, contract date, seller's name, and buyer's name. You don't need to fill in the address. You don't need to do that. You need to know the buyer and seller's lawyer or notary information, name, phone number, and fill in here if it's sale, right? Sale, lease, or etc. So put in sale, 4 million, an address, legal description, information, corporating brokerage. So the listing brokerage is Sutton, and we're the buyer's brokerage, we're the corporating brokerage. And initial deposit, we're putting on 20,000, and due, when is it due? So due 31st, right? Because the date, subject removal date we put was 28th. So within one business day, it'll become the latest Monday 31st. So hold by Luxembourg Realty. And adjustment date, put completion position adjustment date, right? The subject removal day was this day. And then this is where you have the commission calculated, calculate a number, gross commission for your agent. For example, they have this much commission paid to you. And then over here, put the agent's name, Charles Zhou, PREC. And if you get the full amount, just put that, copy and paste into here. That's it. And email to the convincing department.